Good morning, class 10th. Today we'll be looking at the same exercise, that is exercise 13.3, but we'll be looking question number 10 onwards, that is from question number 11. And the very first question that we'll be looking at is question number 11. And we already know that the ratio of the area of two triangles that have been asked in any question, that will be equals to the ratio of the sides or the ratio of the altitude or the ratio of the median. It can be anything. So we'll do this question, and I'll also draw the diagram for you so that you guys are aware of what's happening in the question. So this is how the diagram goes. If I just okay, and this is coming on this side. It's A, this is P, O, Q, C, B. Okay, this is O, this point is O, and this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this, sorry, one parallel. Okay, so for your kind information, this PQBC, it's a parallelogram because all the sides are parallel. You guys can also have a look. The question says, the question goes something like this: in triangle ABC, AP ratio PB is 2x 2 and 3. AP and PB का ratio कितना है? 2/3. PO is parallel to BC and is extended to Q, so that CQ is parallel to BA. CQ, that is C से लेके Q तक, is parallel to BA. This line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this. Find area of APO. APO, I hope you guys are able to see APO है कहाँ पे? This is the triangle APO and area of triangle ABC, the whole triangle ABC. The very first thing I'll do, I'll try proving both the triangles, that both the triangles in triangle APO and triangle ABC, I'll try proving them what? Similar. So when I'm proving them similar, I can say angle A is equals to angle A because that's common. Okay, and the second thing can be this angle is equals to this angle because they are parallel lines and they are forming corresponding angles. So I'm writing AOP is equals to angle OCB, and the reason is corresponding. Okay, corresponding is the reason for this. Now I can say that angle A is corresponding to angle A, angle P is corresponding to angle B, and angle O is corresponding to angle C. So when I write triangle APO, it means this triangle. So I can write is similar to triangle ABC, this triangle. And when I'm writing this, I can also write this as AP upon AB. AP upon AB is equals to let's say everything PO upon BC equals to what is this going to be? AO upon AC. So this is because both the triangles are similar by angle rule, so I can write this. Now the problem is, if AP ratio PB is 2:3, what is AB, the whole line, going to be? Think about it. What is the whole line going to be? AB कितनी line होगी? So if AP is 2, the whole line is going to be, or even if you want to take them as x, because they are given in the ratio, then also ये आपकी A से लेके B तक टोटल लाइन कितनी रहेगी? AP तो 2x है और जो AB हो जाएगा आपका 5x हो जाएगा. So you know the value of AP over AB, that is x and x can be cancelled. So what's the ratio? 2:5. Okay, now I'll be finding the area, ratio of area of triangle APO upon area of triangle ABC, that is equals to, कोई सी भी साइड हो corresponding side उनका square. So it's going to be 2 का square and 5 का square. That's going to give me 4:25, and this is my answer for the first part. Okay, for the second part it says area of triangle APO is ratio of area of triangle CQO. CQO, तो हमें ये वाला ट्राइंगल देखना है और ये वाला ट्राइंगल देखना है. सबसे पहली बात, आप लोग इन दोनों को सिमिलर प्रूफ करोगे. कैसे? ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल है, सिमिलर प्रूफ हो गया. लाइक आई डिड, यू गोना प्रूव देम सिमिलर फर्स्ट. आफ्टर प्रूविंग देम सिमिलर, you should know if this is 3x, this is also going to be 3x, because they are parallelogram, और parallelogram में opposite sides are equal. So if this is 3x, this is also going to be 3x. So you have two sides, और दोनों को रेशियो में रख के you'll get the answer. कैसे आएगा? क्योंकि आप तो सिमिलर प्रूफ कर दोगे इसको, तो आप फिर क्या करोगे? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल APO अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल CQO, and then you'll be writing AP का स्क्वायर अपॉन CQ का स्क्वायर, and then AP का स्क्वायर इज 2x अपॉन 3x, x और x तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इसका स्क्वायर अपॉन इसका स्क्वायर. सो योर आंसर विल बी 4/9 और 4:9. ओके, सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू द शॉर्ट फॉर्म, यहां से लेके बताया मैंने, बट आपको पहले सिमिलर प्रूफ करना है, एंड दैट यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट ऑन योर ओन. आई नो दैट. Okay, let's have a look in question number 12th का B part. Question number 12th B part. So in the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram. This is given. This is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. You know that very well. AM is perpendicular to DC. AM is perpendicular to DC, and AN is perpendicular to CB. AN is perpendicular, मतलब 90 डिग्री बना रहा है. These are the heights. Two heights given. And AM is 6 centimeter. AM ये 6 centimeter है, and this is 10 centimeter given over here, and the area of ABCD is 45 centimeter square. Find AB. I have to find AB. So I know the area of parallelogram. How to find the area of parallelogram? That is base into height. So if I see this as a base, if I have to find AB, I'm doing the very first part. So base is DC. Into height is 6, and area of a parallelogram is already given 45. So DC is 45 upon 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये सेंटीमीटर था, 1 सेंटीमीटर कटा, तो I'll get DC. So what is DC? I'll get 3 2 and 3 1 3 5 15. So 15 over 2, and that's going to be 7.5. So DC is 7.5. But you know it's a parallelogram. If DC is 7.5, तो AB भी 7.5 ही होगा centimeter. So I had to find AB. AB I got. Now the second thing, if you guys have a look very carefully, second thing I have to find is BC. BC, area of parallelogram, that is base into height, but now I'll be taking this base and this height. So I don't have base, that is BC, but I have height. Height is 10 centimeter, that is AN, and I have 45 as centimeter square, and this is centimeter. 45 centimeter upon 10 centimeter. BC is going to be 4.5. Is that okay? So BC भी मुझे मिल गया. This is second part. Now the third part. Third part में क्या करना है? Area of ADM and area of ANB. So I'm going to say ADM and ANB. First thing, I'm gonna prove both the triangles similar. In triangle ADM and ANB. If you guys have a look, you need 2 proof or 3 proof, but I'll be solving through angle. तो इसमें 90 है, ये भी 90 है. So I can write angle AMD is equals to ANB 90 each. ठीक है. And the second thing is angle D is equals to angle B. Reason is opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. So angle D is equals to angle B. So opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Okay, now what's going to happen over here? I'm going to write the corresponding sides. 3 corresponding sides I write. I'll write that over here. Now, or even if I don't write, I know this both the triangles are similar, and I'll directly find the area ka ratio, area of ADM and area of A and B is equals to हाइट का स्क्वायर भी होता है AM का स्क्वायर और AN का स्क्वायर, जो हाइट होती है उनका स्क्वायर भी कर सकते हैं, इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ADM अपॉन एरिया ऑफ A and B, that is 6 का square and 10 का square. And when I solve this, I'll get 36 over 100, and my answer is going to be in ratio, that's going to be, this is going to be 18, this is going to be 50, this is going to be 9, this is going to be 25. So my ratio is 9:25. That's my answer. Okay, so that's how you do questions which are based on area. Let's have a look in question number 14. In the figure, AB is parallel to DC. You guys can see AB is given parallel to DC. AB is twice of DC. So AB is twice of DC, मतलब अगर ये 1 है तो ये 2 है. So I'm just writing that. Is that okay for everyone? Or I can also write, if this is X, this is 2X. If you guys don't mind. Okay, if that is X, this is 2X. Okay, AD is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. BC is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. AD comma BC is produced at E. AD and BC, AD और BC produced कहाँ तक करी है? E तक produced कर दी है, मतलब आगे बढ़ा दी गई है. Now the very first thing that I have to find is ED. I have to find this. I have no idea what is ED. Okay, so what I'm going to do, the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prove the two triangles are similar or not. Okay, so if I prove both the triangles are similar, that so I'll be looking in triangle EDC and triangle EAB. So I know if these are parallel, so this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this. So I have two conditions over here. One is angle EDC is equals to angle EAB. I hope you guys getting it. Okay, and then the reason for this is why this angle is equal to this. These are parallel and they are corresponding angle. Okay, and the second thing is ECD is equals to angle EBA, and the reason is corresponding angle. Now it's a very good interesting thing for us. And what is that interesting thing? That is, I know that this triangle is similar to this triangle, so I can write triangle EDC is similar to triangle EAB. Okay, and if these two triangles are similar, I can write this stuff, that is ED upon AD is equals to DC over AB. Okay, so if I can write this, I can also write what is ED. ED I don't have. ED I don't have at all. So this is, and what is AD? Sorry, I don't write AD actually. If the lines are given parallel, I can straight away write that this is upon this, ED upon AD. Okay, why I am writing this thing, or okay, ED upon AD ना लिख के हम लोग सिमिलर ट्राइंगल के हिसाब से लिखते हैं ED upon EA equals to EC upon EB. So right now do you see the difference? Right, पहले मैंने AD लिखा हुआ था, अब मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ, and this is DC over AB. Okay, now ED I have no idea what is ED. I have to find ED. बट EA को मैं ब्रेक करके लिख सकता हूँ. EA को कैसे ब्रेक करके लिख सकता हूँ? ED प्लस AD equals to, मैं ये वाला पार्ट लूंगा, DC over AB. Now ED I don't have, but I have AD. So can you guys think of what is AD? So ED upon ED plus, and what is AD? AD कितना है? 3. So I'm going to write 3 over here. Okay, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो you guys can ask me. Equals to DC. DC is x upon AB is 2x. So this can be cancelled, तो यहाँ 1 बचा. So this is going to go up 2ED equals to ED plus 3. Now ED can go on that side and become, and the like terms can be together. So 2ED is equals to minus ED equals to 3. So this came on this side and got subtracted. तो ये ED बचा equals to 3. So I got the value of ED, that is 3. And same like this, I'm going to find the value of BE as well. BE का भी आ जाएगा मेरे पास सेम, अगर मैं इस चीज को लेता हूँ, इसको और इसको लेता हूँ. Okay, I hope you guys will be able to do this on your own. Now the third part, how to solve the third part? EDC, area of triangle EDC, रेशियो ढूंढना है एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपीजियम ABCD. पर ट्रेपीजियम का हमने सीखा ही नहीं है, तो मैंने सीखा क्या है? EDC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल EAB. ये सीखा है मैंने, ये वाला ट्राइंगल अपॉन टोटल ट्राइंगल. तो मैं जो सीखा है मैंने वही रखूंगा, और मैं इसके अपॉन ये रख दूंगा, दैट इज 1x अपॉन 2x का स्क्वायर. तो ये x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस. तो जब 1 का स्क्वायर 1 आएगा और इसका स्क्वायर 4 आएगा. ठीक है, अब ध्यान से देखना क्या होगा. एरिया ऑफ EDC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ EAB. ओके, नाउ यू गैस ऑलरेडी नो दैट EDC इधर जाके 4 हो जाएगा. एरिया ऑफ EDC, ये 4 इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, और एरिया ऑफ EAB. पर मैं EAB को दो तरीके से लिख सकता हूँ, ध्यान से देखना. EAB मतलब ये जो पूरा ट्राइंगल, इसको मैं दो तरीके से लिख सकता हूँ. कैसे? एरिया ऑफ EDC प्लस एरिया ऑफ ABCD. आप खुद देख लो, EAB को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ. EAB को इसका एरिया प्लस इसका एरिया टोटल करके लिख सकता हूँ, ऐसे करके ब्रेक. और 4 एरिया ऑफ EDC. अब आपने देखा होगा कुछ ना कुछ लाइक टर्म्स तो होगा यहाँ पे. व्हाट आर द लाइक टर्म्स? दिस एंड दिस आर लाइक टर्म्स. इधर आके सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. तो जब लाइक आके सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो 4 है, इधर 3 हो जाएगा. तो 3 एरिया ऑफ EDC इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ ABCD. नाउ ABCD नीचे आ जाएगा, तो एरिया ऑफ EDC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ABCD इज इक्वल्स टू, उधर तो 1 बचा और 3 नीचे आ जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज माय आंसर? 1:3. 1:3. You can write this. Okay, so that's how it's going to happen. You'll go with the stuff that you already know. You know how to find the ratio between the two area of two triangles. That's only what is taught to you guys, and whatever has been taught, use that. You'll automatically get to your answer. I hope you guys understood all the 3 questions that we did in this video, and if you have any other problem, please do ask. Okay, please do ask. I'll be there to help you guys, and we'll also solve some questions in the classroom as well. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, everyone.